Hey guys, I would like to support the examples we have made so far with animations. With these animations, I hope you will understand the applications better. Now, I have got a simple program here, and we will support that with a simple animation. And you will be able to see the working principles of PLC. Now, I have got a scenario here, and for this scenario, I have got a garage, and I want to count the cars coming from this garage. I will count the cars, and for that, I will use a down counter. What this counter will do is that it will gain one value every time a car passes through the sensor, and I will be able to reset it, stop it, or start it whenever I want. And in order to use these in the animation, I selected the switches here as smart switches because sometimes when I enter physical entries like 00 and 01, the animation can have communication problems. So I have found a solution for this. Now, the system will work when a signal is received by M00 here, and 00 here will pull it. And when 00 pulls it, a car will come through my M04 sensor here. When a car passes through the counter here, it will increase its value by 1. Look, I have a normally closed system stop button here. I have selected a normally closed system stop button, and when pressed, this normally closed stop button stops the system. And when I wish, I can press the M03 button here in order to reset the counter. I will exemplify this for you, if you like. Let's call these names now. We will open our tag chart like this. Alright, we will open our tag chart. Sorry, let's delete these ones. We have made a mistake here. Let's call this attack chart. Let's open it. I'm gonna call this attack chart. And now here, what was the fields we were using? M0.1. Oh, look, that M0, or better yet, sorry, we will write its name here and select a marker field from here. Look, M0.1. Well, now we have a problem. What should we call this? System start. So let's call this one system start. And what should we call the second one? Now let's call the second one system stop. For this one here as well, M0.1 should be like that. It said that this name is used by another address. I wonder where it is used. From here we will open it by saying show all tags. Yes, this one uses it. So we will write the name through here. Let's call this one system start. Look, there has been a problem here because my tag chart here is an old one. I can delete this one actually. So yeah, let's delete this one and not have problems in future. It's done. I call this system start and this one here system stop. I will call system stop to M2 over here. For M03 here, I will say counter reset. By doing that, I will be able to follow the system better. And for this one, what should we call that 04 over there? Let's leave it blank. We will call the 00 here, this 00, system working. There, that name was previously used. Now, guys, let's go back to our OB. We can see the system information from here, and here, for example, we forgot about our M04. We will call our M04 a switch. This one here will be our switch. For M04, we will call it counter. For example, we can call this one here counter sensor. Let's call it counter sensor. If we forget about something, we can always come back. And look, I clicked that. Look, now we can see what it is. I don't want both of these to show, I only want the image here. I will come to my system start here. I will set it through my system start. And when the system is set, sensor will come in front of it and will actualize the process. Actually, I can do it like this. For example, I can say show all tags and call this one, yes, this one here, counter value. Now I have come here again, like this. I wrote the value of the counter here. Let me do another thing. These are the settings. There is not a problem here. Now guys, I will pick the glasses mode from there. Look, it said that there is a difference between the program and the OB. So what does it want me to do? It actually wants me to reload. Alright, let's click right on there and quit the glasses mode. Monitoring. Let's call it off, or we will load the software directly. The differences here are loaded into our PLC. Guys, I placed my PLC under glasses mode. Because I had this software before and because I have made calculations here before, my counter's value is 11, but my system is at stop. Now, let me come around. I will put my system under run command. And let's run it and see what happens. We will see. From here, I put the system into run mode. As you see, a car is coming out of the garage. Look, the car is coming out of the garage. Let me bring it here. Now I will press the counter over here. It gets reset. When I press the system start, I pressed it, I heard the PLC's click and the system is running now. And the car is passing through. And every time a car passes through, the sensors will receive a signal and increase the counter's value. Value of the counter gains one value each time a vehicle passes. I'm pressing system stop and it stops. I'm not stopping the vehicles, I'm only stopping the control system that counts vehicles. Cars keep on coming, let me activate the system again. PLC is active now, now let me stop the system. I activated it again and stopped it. Look, it's on. And what happens here is the value of the counter stays the same, I stopped it again, and I can reset the value of the counter by pressing it.